Philippines ready to acquire 16mm Mi-171 HIP helicopters to form a new squadron. Philippines, February 11th, 2024. The Philippine government announced its plan to reacquire 16mm 171 HIP helicopters from Russia. The acquisition aims to form a new squadron and enhance the country's military capabilities. Previously, the Philippines had ordered 16 Mi-171 HIP helicopters in 2021, but the process was delayed. The delay was triggered by several factors, including funding issues and the EU arms embargo against Russia. However, the Philippines seems to have overcome these obstacles and is ready to proceed with the acquisition of the helicopters. Philippine Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro said that the Mi-171 HIP helicopters will be used for various military operations, including troop transport, logistics, and combat operations. The Mi-171 HIP helicopter is a versatile helicopter that has proven to be reliable in various conditions. It has a large carrying capacity and is capable of operating in various terrains, including mountainous and jungle areas. The acquisition of Mi-171 HIP helicopters is expected to enhance the Philippines' military capabilities and strengthen the country's defense. The newly formed squadron will be stationed at Clark Air Base in Pampanga, Luzon.
Tamakulog.
Laylay na kacil.